If you would like to contribute your own observations to the Alberta Tomorrow Simulator, go into Create a New Observation, hit OK, and let's say I am going to go into the mountains, into one of our lakes, and I'm going to either do some water sampling or perhaps I am going to take a picture or video and upload it into the system. I can then hit next. So I can say like picture, human activity, camping, recreation, weather consistent conditions, typical fall, and click next. If you wish to upload your picture or video, you would just upload your picture right here and then click save. This observation is now saved in the system for you or for anyone else to see. If you would like to add some water observations from a field trip, you can also include all of your information on dissolved oxygen levels, turbidity, whatever parameters you are measuring.